Okay, good afternoon once again. Now, since you already know how to determine the given trinomial, whether it is a PST or not, it's time for you to factor. So, how do you factor? As long as it's PST, okay? It's a perfect square trinomial, as long as. So, before you factor, check first. Is it a PST? And you know how, right? So if not, if it is, then factor it out because it's very easy. All you have to do is make two parentheses, okay? Two. So both are positive for here. Because the middle sign is positive, both are positive. Alright? And then there's a shorter way of writing this later. So all you have to do is take the square root of the first term, which is y. Correct? The square root of the last term, which is 1. After that, just copy what you wrote here. Y and 1. O, diba? And then you can write it in a simpler way. Y plus 1, and then quantity y plus 1, quantity y plus 1. Or you can simply write y plus 1 quantity squared. Okay? Open and close parenthesis and square it because that means there are two of this. Correct? That's why we write it as quantity y plus 1 squared. See? Very easy. Now, last example. Because we all know that this is a PST, so just factor it out right away. Make two parentheses. And then since your middle sign is negative, both are negative. Alright? See, this is your technique. And then take the square root. The square root of 9 is 3. And then the square root of x to the 6 is x cubed. Correct? Because 6 divided by 2 is 3. And the square root of your last term. The square root of 100 is 10. And then the square root of y to the 8 is y to the 4th. Okay? So now that you have it, just copy 3x cubed and 10y to the 4th. Now you know the technique. Or you can write it this way. 3x cubed minus 10y to the 4th, close parentheses, and then squared. Gets? Thank you.